How to contact Uber Eats customer support through the app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to contact Uber Eats customer support directly through the app, whether your food was missing, late, or something went wrong with the delivery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the order tab, simply find the order that you need help with, and after that you can tap on it to open the order details. And now here you can scroll down and tap on the help option, and this will bring up a list of common issues like missing or incorrect items, delivery never arrived, problem with charges, or something else. So here you can choose the option that fits your situation the best. And here, once you select the help topic, Uber will ask for quick explanation and confirmation. So here you may be able to select the item with the issue, and here you can type short messages and upload a photo if needed. And after that you can just tap submit, and Uber Eats will review your request and usually respond via in-app messages or email within minutes or few hours. And here, if your issue isn't tied to a specific order, you can just tap on the account icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and here in the account section you can simply tap on help. And now here in the help section you can select browse all topics to get help with account issues, payments, promotions, and much more. And that's how you can contact Uber Eats support through the app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.